Did your phone get factory reset by mistake and now all your photos, videos, chats and files are gone? Don't panic. In the next few minutes, I'm going to explain exactly what you can recover after a factory reset, with backup or without backup. And I'll also show you the safest method to try before your data gets permanently overwritten. So stay with me till the end because every minute matters. First, let's understand what a factory reset actually does. When a phone is reset, your data is not instantly erased. It becomes hidden inside the storage, and new files slowly start overwriting the old ones. That means the sooner you try to recover, the higher your chances are. But if you start installing apps, taking photos, or using the phone normally after the reset, you actually destroy the recoverable data. So, the very first thing that you should do is stop using the phone immediately. Now, let's quickly check if your data can be restored through a backup. If you're using Android, open Google Photos and check the trash or archive. Then, check Google Drive backups. Many phones silently create automatic backups there. If you use WhatsApp, go to Settings, Chats, Restore to recover your old messages and media. Samsung users can also check Samsung Cloud. If any of these backups exist, you can recover almost everything instantly. For iPhone users, open Settings, tap your Apple ID, and check iCloud Backup. If a backup exists, simply reset again and choose Restore from iCloud. You can also restore through an iTunes backup on your computer. If you found a backup, great, your data is safe. But if you did not, then you need a deeper recovery. Now let's talk about recovering data without backup. And this part applies mainly to Android users. Recovery without backup is possible only if the deleted data hasn't been overwritten yet. To try this, turn off your phone and avoid using it. Connect it to a PC because deep recovery through mobile apps is not reliable. On your computer, install Stellar Data Recovery for Android. It's one of the few tools that actually performs a real sector-level scan. I've tested many apps and Stellar consistently finds more recoverable files, especially after formatting or a factory reset. Once installed, connect your phone, enable USB debugging, run a deep scan and wait for the preview. You will be able to see which photos, videos and files are still recoverable before saving them. If your data were on an SD card, the chances are even better. Just put the SD card into a card reader, open Stellar Data Recovery, select the card and run a deep scan. SD card recovery works extremely well even if the card was formatted. For iPhone users, I want to be honest with you. Recovery without backup is not possible after a factory reset. Apple uses full encryption, so once the device is wiped, the data cannot be accessed by any software in the world. So if you don't have an iCloud or iTunes backup, nothing can bring the data back. And I'm telling you this so you don't waste time on fake apps or scams. Before we end, remember these final tips. Don't install new apps, don't record videos, don't take photos, and don't use your phone normally after a factory reset. Every action overwrites the memory where your old data is stored. Always try recovery within the first 24 to 48 hours for the best results. And if you want to try Stellar Data Recovery, I've added the official link in the description. The free version lets you preview your recoverable files before you decide to restore anything, which saves a lot of time and gives you clarity.